Lose, lose, loss. Are you confused which is the right word to use? Not anymore. Keep on watching to see the difference. Hello everyone, it's me again, Jonna. Welcome to Online English TV. As I've already mentioned earlier, we're going to know the differences among these three words. Now let's start with lose first. Loose is an adjective which means not tight or not firmly held in place. Let's practice using this word in sentences. Loose wires on the wall. It means there are some walls hanging in there and they are not firmly held in place. So loose wires. I want my hair hanging loose to my shoulder. It means that my hair isn't tied back. Loose hair. When it comes to clothes, it means not tight. But this one is a little bit tight, so I'm not wearing a loose shirt. Let's use that meaning in a sample sentence. She likes wearing comfortable and loose shirts. Again, the pronunciation is loose, S sound. Alright, we have another meaning of loose though. Have you ever heard about loose conducts? Which means having low morals. You can use it to describe a person. Let's say, a loose man he is. Or you can say, I couldn't stand a person with a loose personality. I think that's so much explanation about loose. Now let's move on to the word lose. Lose, on the other hand, is a verb. So if you lose something or someone, you don't have them anymore. Example sentences. I lost my wallet. Lost is the past tense of lose. She always loses her keys. Am I talking to myself? Am I pertaining to myself? You could also use lose when you stop feeling something. Let's say, I lost interest. Or another example sentence is, be careful to say something that will lose her self-confidence. Another way to use the word lose is when you have something less than before. Again, if you want something less than before. Example sentences. I want to lose weight. It is a very famous sentence, isn't it? Everyone wants to lose weight, but it's easier said than done. Do you agree? Okay, another way to use it is, or another example is, she started to lose her memory because of her sickness. Alright, I hope that would be clear enough because we will now move on to explain the next word, which is loss. Loss is a noun. It means you don't no longer have someone or something. It's a noun though. Alright, let's say we use it for memory loss, pet loss, sense of loss, weight lost. Do you have anything to add more on this? We normally say, I'm sorry for your loss. It's an expression of sympathy if someone lost her loved ones in death. Here's the thing that you might want to remember. Lose is an adjective. Lose is a verb. Loss is a noun. Alright, that would be all for this video, and I hope this video cleared up your confusion. If you want to have more videos like these, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be informed every time I upload new videos. Be the first person to watch them. I hope to see you guys in my next video and have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.